How to check if an element from list A is not present in list B in Python? If I have one element alone, this is easy. But what if I have two lists and have to check if the elements in list A occur in list B? How do I get a result showing me that 1, 2, 3 are not in list B?
Using list comprehension. Truthy answer. List of elements not present in the second list.
If the items in the list are hashable. Otherwise, you may use filter function. In that case, if B is sorted, you may get a better performance by using bisect.bisect_left to search logarithmically.
You can also use list comprehension. Output.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.